So Dada said, yeah, man, you must come and help me with the ingredients, man. I thought, yeah, sure, no problem. Obviously, I'll do that. So, that Sunday morning, Dada came to pick me up, and we started driving, and he stopped next to this river. And I thought to myself, but, where's the shop? Where's the ingredients and stuff? And he said, come on, man, we're going to catch some crab, man. I thought, what on earth is going on? So there we were. I was in Tobago catching freshwater crabs. And we ran after these little guys and we caught them. And he had his knapsack and we put some in there. And he probably had 8 or so. And he said, it's enough, man. And then we went to his sister's place. And, in Tobago, they do speak English, but I can tell you, you won't understand a word. You just won't, because it's their own kind of English. I call it Caribbean English. Now, I couldn't understand the conversation at all. And he said, yeah, you just dig there, man. You dig deep and you get the root, man. And that was Maniok. And we dug up some other roots, which is of unknown origin to me. And that was it. So we had root and crab. And, we went through and he took some curry and some coconut pears, the sweet coconut. And man, he came through. And I still had a whole bottle of whiskey because our trip across was pretty dry, no alcohol. Because if you're there out at sea, there's no time for alcohol. There's too many things that can go wrong. So it was pretty much a dry boat. Although I quickly realized that Dada likes to take a couple. So he was there, and a friend of mine, before we left South Africa, a friend of mine said, please don't go, you guys are going to drown, you're not going to make it. And I told him, I said, man, I'm going to send you a photograph of a Caribbean guy on our boat. And then you will know that the dream is so. We have realized our dream. So Dada was sitting there with this bottle of whiskey, and he had half of it, and he was in a very happy mood, and we had this wonderful meal. Man, that crab was sweet and lovely and coconutish, and the curry, it was just amazing. And with the manok, it was just you get the sweet sour of the crab with the very dry kind of potatoish stuff. And that was to die for.